Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Scotiabank Scene Points. The Scene program is a loyalty rewards system offered by Scotiabank that allows you to earn and redeem points for various rewards. First, you need to have a Scotiabank account or credit card that is eligible for the Scene program. Once you have an eligible account, you can start earning Scene points by making purchases with your Scotiabank credit or debit card. You can earn 1 Scene point for every dollar you spend on eligible purchases. To view your Scene points balance, log in to your Scotiabank online banking account or mobile app. You can also check your points balance on your monthly statement. Scene points can be redeemed for a variety of rewards, including movie tickets, travel, and dining experiences. To redeem your points, log in to your Scotiabank online banking account or mobile app and navigate to the Scene Rewards section. Browse through the available rewards and select the one you want to redeem. You can also use your Scene points to book travel, including flights, hotels, and car rentals. Simply log in to the Scene Travel website and book your travel using your points. To get the most out of your Scene points, make sure to regularly review your points balance and redeem your points before they expire. You can also combine your Scene points with other rewards programs to maximize your rewards. It is also important to note that Scene points can be shared with friends and family, making it easy to pool your points together to redeem bigger rewards. In conclusion, using Scotiabank Scene points is a simple and rewarding process. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of your Scene points and enjoy a wide range of rewards and benefits. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the Scene program to ensure you are getting the most out of your points.